Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're a new subscriber, hi, my name is Joy, and if you're a returning subscriber, hello. Thank you for tuning in. So in today's video guys, we are going to be talking about skincare routine that is affordable, simple, and that is for head to toe for fair skin. So stay to the end of this video because this video is going to benefit you and to know the kind of product to use that is simple, that is also affordable, and that do the work for you. So guys, we'll be starting with bathing soap. We are going to start with bathing soap because you need bathing soap to gently cleanse and maintain your skin. And I have two on my list here. I have number one is the turmeric and honey bar soap. This particular soap is a daily use soap that you can use for your fair skin because it has antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that will help to calm irritations on your skin. So maybe if you have bumps on your skin or you have dark spots on your skin, this turmeric is going to help cleanse your skin. Not just cleansing your skin, it's going to help to clear them and it's going to make sure that your skin looks beautiful and very clean. The honey contained on this particular soap is going to help to attract and retain moisture. Instead of you having a very dry complicated skin, this soap is going to help to retain moisture. Like you'll be having a spa hydration, and when someone sees you, they'll be looking at your skin like, oh, a very moisturized skin, a very radiant skin. So that's what this soap do. But I would advise that you should use it very consciously if you're the type that don't really go well with fragrance because it still contains fragrance, and use it very consciously so that it will not end up drying up your skin. The second bar soap on my list, it is help a lot by keeping your skin looking radiant and spots free. But be very careful because it has a lot of fake ones in the market because of how effective it is and how accessible you can access this product. The product on the list is papaya bar soap. This particular soap here, this soap, it has been in the market for ages. It has been in the market and it has been doing the work wonderfully. Like I notice how well this blend with my skin. It has to clear dark spots and it brighten up my skin. So for a fair skin person, I will advise that you should go with the papaya bar soap. If you cannot go with the turmeric and honey bar soap, you just go with this. It's going to gently, brighten up your skin. Not really necessarily making you white, but it's going to brighten up your skin and it's going to give you that enough glow that you need. So guys, the next on my list is a body scrub. I always say this body scrub is very, very essential when you're starting your skincare routine because sometimes bathing soap are just there to clean your skin, but they don't exfoliate your skin. Exfoliating your skin will help your skin to look times two brighter when you exfoliate your skin. Bathing soap is there to, cleanse your skin, remove dirt from the surface of your skin, but exfoliating your skin to help to cleanse dead skin cells from your skin. So always make sure that you include body scrub that you can be using 2 to 3 times daily. And because you're a fair person and you want to brighten up your skin, I will not advise you to use anyhow body scrub. You should use body scrub that contains vitamin C in them because vitamin C is a very good ingredient that help to brighten up your skin. So guys, next on my list is a body lotion. Guys, who does not use body lotions on their skin? You can't tell me that you don't use body lotions on your skin. So the next is body lotion, but I'm here to guide you on the kind of body lotions to use on your skin. The body lotions that will help to brighten up your skin as a fair skin person. So number one on my list is Nivea. I will advise you to use the Nivea Radiant Even Glow because this also contains vitamin C. And like I said before, vitamin C is a very good ingredient when it comes to you brightening up your skin. Nivea Radiant and Beauty Even Glow is a good start to use when you want to brighten up your skin. There's a lot of positive reviews about this product. And one thing I noticed is it moisturizes your skin. And one thing about Nivea, why I like them is because they don't give you something that will just, just once you apply it on your skin, it just sit there. No, they try to make sure that it moisturizes your skin for 8 hours. I don't know if you get what I'm trying to say. For those of us who have used any kind of Nivea product before, so Nivea product does not really whiten your skin. They're not going to change your complexion from a caramel or a dark person to a white person, but they're going to give you a very good moisturized effect and they're going to make sure that your skin brighten even more. So the reason why I keep on bringing lotions or product that contain vitamin C is because you are a fair skin person. I cannot give you something that will darken your skin. So guys, after your body lotion, you need a body oil to pair with your lotion. You don't just need to apply your lotion and you're good to go. No. So you need a body oil to pair with your lotion. Don't do the mistake of applying body oil first before your body lotion. Rather, it should be your body lotion, then your body oil. If you don't want the Vaseline body gel oil because of the price, or maybe because it does not really suit your skin. You know, we all have different skin type and different skin shade. Then you can use the Disper vitamin C body oil. It is good for brightening up your skin, and it is very very amazing when it comes to glowing of your skin, and it is going to make sure that your skin feels that radiant effect and very soft. You know, there's some people that when they apply some body oils, like you will notice after a few hours of application, everybody will know that you apply something to just sit there, but this particular one does not sit on your skin, rather it absorbs deep into your skin, thereby making your skin clean, radiant, and looking very healthy. So we are done with our body parts. We'll just go ahead to our facial face, because I said from the beginning that it is from head to toe, and we are done with our body parts now. So let's just go ahead to our face. So the first thing you need after washing your face with your soap or your cleanser or anything that you feel like is good for your skin, then you need a face serum. The reason why you are getting a face serum is because it's going to help, you understand, brighten your skin. The one I use here, it anytime I have dark spots, I try to use this particular face serum because it helps to, you know, take away my dark spots and keep my face clean, and help with hyperpigmentation and discoloration. If you are getting any face serum, please try to get face serum that is very light in weight and has a supportive ingredient that will help to clear your skin concern, such as dark spots, dehydration, dullness, and fine lines. After your face serum, we need a face moisturizer. I don't really joke with face moisturizers. Like, I don't joke with it because, girl, I want that super hydration. I want that, you know, that glass skin effect. I want that clean skin effect. So I don't joke with my moisturizers. And moisturizers are very very essential when it comes to skincare game, because you want your skin to be hydrated, you want your skin to be looking very very moisturized, so you need to include moisturizers. My favorite moisturizer that I've been using for years now, since 2023, is the Castress Advanced 92 all-in-one cream moisturizer. It is kind of expensive, but this is a daily go to go skincare routine moisturizer or face cream for anyone who wants a glass skin, a brightening skin, a very radiant and spotless face. But if you can't afford this particular moisturizer, then you need the Nivea soft moisturizing face cream. This does wonders, and I have seen positive review about this particular product. It's there to moisturize your skin, it's there to support your face cleansers, your face soap, your face serum, you know, together make sure that you don't have skin concerns. Together they make sure that you look very beautiful and you age less. The Nivea soft moisturizer contain jojoba oil, vitamin E that help to give you a soft, clean face. So guys, another thing I want you guys to know is using aloe vera as a face cream or moisturizer. The reason is because if you have redness or you have sunburn, it's going to help moisturize your skin, and it's going to make sure that your skin is not looking reddish, it's not looking red. If you cannot use the Cosrx Advanced 92 all-in-one cream or the Nivea soft moisturizing cream, then you can use your aloe vera. I think it's 4,500. You can use your aloe vera. It's going to moisturize your skin. It's going to make sure that your skin is looking brighter, and it's going to help to maintain a clean, clear skin. So guys, the last thing we are going to be talking about is your sunscreen. Yes, I'm putting it as the last thing because after your activity on your face and your body, the last thing to use is your sunscreen. Okay, and sunscreen is very very important because it's going to help to protect your skin from the sun damage. It's going to help to protect your skin from the harsh sun that is penetrating deep into your skin. So sunscreen are there to make sure that you don't have sunburn, you don't have redness, and you don't accumulate too much of dirt, air pollution, too much of dirt on your skin. So always make sure that you go with your sunscreen. And me, I started with Dr. Rachel's sunscreen, and after that I have to switch to aqua sunscreen. And this is because, girl, Sunscreen has proven to be something that if that will even make your skincare product to work faster. Yes, it has proven that, oh, I am here to make sure that your other products work very, very fast. You know, you cannot skip one and leave one. Even if you want to skip any of this, but don't skip sunscreen, because they are there to make sure that the product that you have used that is more concerning to you are going to help work on your skin. So you get to make sure that you get a sunscreen by all means. The thing is, just apply sunscreen on your skin. If you are on a budget, I got this, sweetheart. There are some sunscreen that is very, very affordable that you can start with or you can use. So we have the Dr. Rasha sunscreen, the Estelin sunscreen, and even the Biro Biro UV sunscreen. I don't know. It is I pronounce mine as Biro UV sunscreen. Okay. So guys, these are the products to use as a fair skin person to achieve clear glowing skin from your head to toe. If you have stayed to this point, that means this video makes sense to you, and I want you to support me by giving me a thumbs up on this video, liking this video, sharing this video to your friends, people who need to start their skincare routine journey, and subscribing to my YouTube channel. Guys, if you subscribe to my YouTube channel, you're trying to let YouTube know that you enjoy my videos and it is informative. Help me to subscribe to my YouTube channel, help me to like this video, help me to give me a thumbs up. Thank you for staying to this very moment, guys. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.